Maldives or Republic of Maldives is a small country in South Asia, located in the Arabian Sea of the Indian Ocean. It lies the southwest of Sri Lanka and India. Their capital city is Malé. It's a 100% Islamic nation, and their currency is called rupiah. Maldives is one of the world's most geographically dispersed sovereign states, as well as the smallest Asian country by land area and population. Malaysia is a country in Southeast Asia. The federal constitutional monarchy consists of 13 states and 3 federal territories. Kuala Lumpur is the national capital and the largest city. The country is a multi-ethnic and multicultural. About half the population is ethnically Malay, with large minorities of Malaysian Chinese, Malaysian Indians, and indigenous people. Traditional clothes represent the identity of a country. For Maldives, the traditional cloth is called libas. Malaysia traditional cloth is called baju Melayu for men. As for women, it's called baju kurung. Traditional foods are foods and dishes that are passed through generations. For Malaysian, it's called nasi lemak, Malay fragrant rice dish cooked in coconut milk and pandan leaf. For Maldives, it's called spice mix, made with chili, spice mix powder, curry leaves, pickles, fish, water, salt, and pepper. Tourism is a global force for economic and regional development. For Malaysia, there is Petronas Towers, Langkawi, Malacca, and Cameron Highland.
So it's my first day or first time in Malaysia. I definitely like the place. What I like most about it is the people are very friendly everywhere you go, and the nature, as you can see, we're in the middle of the park. Beautiful weather and people are very nice. So
what are the destinations that you have gone to so far?
Yesterday we went to Highlands, I believe.
Cameron Highlands?
Yes, the Cameron Highlands. Definitely a nice place. A lot of malls everywhere we go, so it's good for shopping if you want to go shopping, meeting good people, and having good food.
Have you seen the local side of Malaysia yet?
Not yet. Mostly we're going to a lot of the tourist place, but definitely I want to check it out.
Thank you so much for your time.
No problem.
Okay.
Maldives are known as the tropical paradise for reasons such as its beauty. This tropical country has separated islands, and islands are surrounded by its own lagoon. Each island has pure white sandy beaches. The sea covers 99% of the Maldives, and it is where you can see beautiful fishes and corals. Malé is the capital and most populous city in the Republic of Maldives. Traditionally, it was the king's island, for where the ancient royal dynasty ruled and where the palace was located. Traffic is hectic, people are busy, and the atmosphere is lively, just like a city should be. Maldives capital Male is a hub for shopping centers, hotels, fancy restaurants, hospitals, schools, and many other important places, along with tourist attractions and historical landmarks. Aside from eating and sleeping, you can enjoy shopping, visit the museum and the other historical landmarks, or even go on tours, which is a fantastic way of exploring the capital city of Maldives. There is plenty to uncover in Mali City.
I'm Ashmal from Maldives, and
Zhafran from Malaysia.
thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it.
I hope you learned enough from our information that we gathered and the places that we visited.
Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, and share our video. Bye.
Bye bye.